Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the USB drive and obtaining a clean Windows 10 image. Plug in an 8 GB or larger pendrive and back up its contents. Formatting to NTFS or FAT32 ensures compatibility. Once done, download the official Windows 10 ISO or the Microsoft Media Creation tool. Run the tool as administrator. Choose Create Installation Media for another PC. Pick Language and Architecture. Then select USB flash drive, so the process will write the installer directly onto your pendrive. You now create a bootable USB using the chosen method. If using Media Creation tool, it writes automatically. If you have an ISO, open Rufus, pick the ISO, set partition scheme, GPT for UEFI systems, or MBR for legacy BIOS and file system. Start the process and monitor progress. Rufus shows copying and creating bootloader steps. Make sure the correct architecture is selected and that no errors appear. Once the status reads done, confirm files exist on the drive and prepare to test boot. You finish by installing Windows 10 and handling common issues. Reboot the target PC and enter BIOS or a one-time boot menu to choose the USB device. If nothing appears, toggle UEFI versus legacy boot, and if necessary, disable secure boot briefly. Start the Windows installer, follow prompts to partition and install. If the USB fails to boot, reformat and recreate it with a checksum verified ISO. This resolves most corruption problems. Make sure to restore BIOS settings afterward and keep backups of important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.